In today's digital age, protecting your online privacy is not just an option, it's a necessity. With hackers, trackers, and data collectors always on the prowl, using a virtual private network, or VPN, is one of the best ways to keep your information safe. But when it comes to setting up a VPN, you have two main options: a router VPN or a device VPN. Which one is right for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about router VPNs and device VPNs, so you can make the best choice for your privacy needs. What is a device VPN? Let's start with device VPNs. These are probably the most familiar to you. A device VPN is software that you install directly onto a specific device, like your laptop, smartphone, or tablet. When activated, it encrypts all the internet traffic coming from that device, routing it through a secure VPN server. This protects your online activity from being tracked, hides your IP address, and ensures that your connection is private. For example, if you connect to public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, a device VPN can shield you from hackers trying to intercept your data. Advantages of device VPNs. 1. Full control. You have complete control over when the VPN is active and which server you connect to. 2. Flexibility. You can switch servers easily, which is useful for accessing content in different regions or optimizing speeds. 3. Customizable protection. You decide which devices need a VPN, conserving resources for those that don't. Drawbacks of device VPNs. 1. Limited coverage. Only the devices with the VPN installed are protected. 1. Other devices on your network remain vulnerable. 2. Multiple setups required. If you have many devices, you'll need to install and configure the VPN on each one individually. 3. Compatibility issues. Some devices, like smart TVs or gaming consoles, don't support VPN apps, leaving them unprotected. What is a router VPN? Now let's look at router VPNs. A router VPN is configured directly on your Wi-Fi router instead of individual devices. Once the VPN is installed on your router, all devices connected to your network automatically use the VPN connection. This includes devices that don't support VPN apps, like smart TVs, gaming consoles, and IoT devices such as smart thermostats or security cameras. With a router VPN, your entire home or office network is protected, and you don't have to worry about configuring each device. Advantages of router VPNs. 1. Network-wide protection. Every device connected to your router is automatically secured, even those without native VPN support. 2. One-time setup. Configure the VPN once and it works for all devices, saving you time and effort. 3. Set and forget. There's no need to manually activate the VPN on individual devices. It's always on. Drawbacks of router VPNs. 1. Complex setup. Setting up a router VPN can be challenging, especially for non-technical users. 2. Reduced flexibility. All devices share the same VPN server, so you can't customize settings for specific devices. 3. Performance impact. Encrypting traffic at the router level can slow down your internet speeds, especially if your router lacks sufficient processing power. How to decide between a router VPN and a device. VPN. Choosing the right VPN setup depends on your needs, preferences, and technical comfort level. Use a device VPN if 1. You want to control your VPN settings on a device-by-device basis. 2. You need the flexibility to connect to different servers for different tasks, such as streaming content or gaming. 3. You only have a few devices that require protection. Use a router VPN if 1. You have multiple devices that need protection, including smart devices like TVs and gaming consoles. 2. You prefer a one-time setup that automatically secures your entire network. 3. You want to enforce a consistent level of security across all devices on your network. Can you use both? Absolutely. In fact, combining both setups can offer the best of both worlds. You can use a router VPN for general network-wide protection and device VPNs for specific devices that need custom settings or extra flexibility. For instance, you might configure a router VPN for your home while using a device VPN on your phone for added security when traveling. Additional considerations. No matter which option you choose, here are some important tips to keep in mind. 1. Choose a high-quality VPN provider. Look for a VPN service that offers strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and fast servers. 2. Upgrade your router if necessary. Some older routers may not support VPN configurations or may struggle to handle encryption. 3. Test your connection. After setting up your VPN, check for DNS leaks or IP exposure to ensure it's working as intended. 4. Use multi-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your VPN accounts to prevent unauthorized access. Conclusion: whether you choose a router VPN, a device VPN, or a combination of both, the goal is the same: to protect your online privacy and secure your digital life. Evaluate your needs, consider your devices, and choose the solution that aligns best with your lifestyle and technical comfort level. Want to take your privacy to the next level? Check the description below for the VPN we recommend. It's the top choice for protecting your data and ensuring your online security. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more in-depth guides on cybersecurity and AI innovation. What's your current VPN setup, and how is it working for you? Share your experiences in the comments below.